So in this video, guys, I'm going to be taking a look at one of the newest photo editing apps on the block, which is Aperty. I've got it loaded up, ready to go. I've gone with the 1 month package, billed monthly, £22.95p for unlimited editing for 1 month. Okay, sounds good, but is it worth it? Now, if you go for the 12-month package, it's 1 month, billed annually at £229. For the same sort of price with Evoto, you're going to get 3,600 credits, which is equivalent to editing 3,600 pictures. One edit equals 1 credit, as in export equals 1 picture. You understand? The cheapest package they do is 200 credits at £44. So 200 pictures you can edit, and then you're going to have to buy again. So anyway, you can have a look at yourself. We're not here to talk too much about the pricing, other than the fact that Evoto need to get rid of the credit system. You know I always say that. Anyway, okay, so the product itself is Aperty. It's recently been released. We've got Julie Trotty, I think her name is. She's a YouTuber, photographer. She's very big on YouTube, and she's put her name to this software as an ambassador. She's had input into how it works, blah blah blah. Also, the story goes. So we should be having high hopes for it. Now, the first thing I do see is there's a little bit of colour difference between the two. That image is just a little bit lighter compared to this one. It's got a few more red tones in. Not a big deal. Anyway, I'm splitting hairs there. I want to see what this software can do. Okay, so we've got the color adjustments here, blah blah blah, and we've got profiles. The same sort of things that we're going to get in this one. Hue adjustments. Now this one has got the ability to add LUTs. I think we've got LUTs somewhere in here. It's not something I would use. So the main party trick of each software is the ability to edit photos, get rid of blemishes, that sort of thing. So I've got this picture here, shot by myself, and as we can see, we've got a patch of, different discoloration of the skin here. And then we've got some blemishes that we would need to address as well, and just tidy up the picture and make it look a little bit more wow. As you can see, we've got lipstick on already, so we don't really need to be addressing that. We could do if we want to, but let's just see what this software can do. Okay, so I'm going to go straight into the retouch section. We've got the person highlighted here, and we'll click on female. Let's go into this one. Female's already highlighted. We're good to go. Now, blemishes on the face. It's a pain for anyone to be adjusting. Freckles and acne in Evoto. Let's go to halfway. Before and after. It's done a really good job straight off the bat of fixing the blemishes. Okay, so we're going to go to the blemish removal on Aperty. Let's go all the way. No, we'll go to halfway first of all, and then we'll go before, after. So far, it's beginning to remove them. We might have to go all the way up to see the results, and we've still got one here, we've still got this here, we've still got it on there, but in general I would say Aperty so far has done a fairly good job. Okay, round 1 is over. Now, face and skin. What have we got in here? We've got skin smoothing, which we could do. Let's just have a look at that. Now, I have noticed Now, when I first put the software on, I put a raw straight into it, and it was really sluggish at doing the, you know, like I'm doing here, the zoom in, it goes a bit blurred, and then adjusts. Excuse me. Evoto, there's no issues. Now, I did notice as well, when I was first trying this out before, probably about half an hour ago, the screen going blank. Now, we'll see if it does it again, but it was going black for some reason. I don't know. But we'll carry on. Okay, face skin color correction. Now, I'd like this bit, this area here corrected to match the rest of the skin because it's just looking a little bit out of place. So let's go with the skin correction. We'll go all the way up. And let's go all the way down. All the way up. Let's do the dark circles as well. So we've done 2 operations there. And it hasn't done anything here. Okay, let's go into here. Skin retouching. Unify complexion of the face. Let's go all the way up. And straight off the bat, that has done a better fix for me than this one. Okay, no big deal. Well, it is a big deal, but we'll carry on. If this was the only software on the market, so far you'd be thinking, wow, this is amazing. But it's not. So it's got a lot to compete with. Right. Okay, let's have another look. Face brighten. What does that do? Brightens the whole face. That's good. But we don't need to do that on this occasion. As you can see there, look, it's not me. It's not the recording. It was doing this even though I wasn't recording. Now I'm running the latest Mac M4, Mac Mini M4. I bought it on Saturday. Super fast. It shouldn't be doing that. That is just, it's annoying. Anyway, I won't complain too much at the moment. Right, okay, so what else have we got? Face brighten, shine removal if we wanted to. Let's have a look at what that does. Again. Am I seeing any change? Nothing. Okay, so we'll close this one up and we're going to go into the eye one. Original iris. Okay, so we've got original ones at the moment and then we can go for different colours. Let's try the blue ones and have a look how they look. Pretty neat. Iris visibility. Now on this side, it seems to be just putting like a blue, I don't know, blue mask over it or something. Eyes blue. Let's try the brown because they are brown. It's done a nice job of the eyes. I'm not going to moan about that a little bit too much. So we'll bring them back down. Still not liking it. Just go down just a little bit more and we'll leave it there. Eye whitening and redness removal. Okay, let's zoom in. Eye whiteness, eye enhancement. Just a little bit too much there, but we'll have a look at Evoto doing the same thing. We'll just put a little bit of brightness on and then we'll do remove red veins. Now I don't know what this is here, but that does look a lot more natural. We'll brighten the iris up just a little bit more. So this software can fix the eye a lot better than it's, I don't know what's going on there, but they've got like some grey blotches in there. We've got that eye whitening all the way up. So again, if it was, I don't know, they just look a little bit too, when it decides to catch up. I don't know what's gone on there. Let's take that away, original ones. So it's nothing to do with this. It's just the way the software works. Again, that's not looking good. Right, okay, eye enhancement, we're just not going to go in there anymore. Let's go into the makeup one. Now, cheeks and nose, what do we have in here? Amount. This is a blush. Now, I just, who thought of putting this cheeks and nose bit in? I just can't understand that. We've got the toning. I mean, what's going on with this? Okay, so we'll just go for cheeks. And let's bring it down to something a little bit more natural. Do you see what I mean? Look, blurred. And then it finally catches up, and then every time you want to move, we've got to wait for it to unblur. That's not good. Okay, so we can adjust the height of it, and X and Y axes. I mean, no. Let's go with the let me just go into here. Makeup, highlights, blush. Okay, let's try that one. It's similar, a little bit too much on the eye. Let's go down a bit. Let's try that one. That's nice. This one, I mean, look, it's not me being nasty to the software. I'm just being this. Look at that. That is just stupid. Oh, we're loaded. Oh, it just works. No lag. No lag. Now I'm recording as well at the same time. I've got Lightroom open, and we've got these two bits of software open, but it was still doing it when I had it just running by itself. So we're going to turn that down just a little bit. Okay, so the next thing we're going to have a look at just quickly. So is that it? Oh no, makeup. Okay, so we've got contour. Let's have a look at that. Contouring is, we've got to wait. Contouring. The contouring, not too bad. Let me just go back. Those cheeks are crazy. So the contouring, yeah, I'm going to give that. I'm going to take this right down because that is looking mad. It's just too slow. This is crazy. It shouldn't be that slow. Again, might be a software fix they need to do, but at the end of the day, look, we've got loads of bloody YouTubers already. Oh, it's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. Paid. You look on the video, paid advert, paid to do the video, okay? So they're going to be nice. They're not going to be honest unless they're me. They're just, honestly, the people are not honest. They're just not honest with these reviews they do. It's absolutely amazing. But if you look down the videos, a few months ago, they were saying, this one was absolutely amazing. And then, honestly, as long as they're getting that cash check, they'll say whatever they're asked to say, so people go out and spend the hard-earned cash for something that may not be up to scratch, whatever they're telling you. Come on, guys, it's not fair. Anyway, okay, contouring, it seems to work. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then we can feather it if we want to. I'm just showing you quickly. I'm going to have a good play at the end of this, and then I'll do a comparison of the two pictures, and you can say which one you like best. Highlights. Again, we've just got one. I mean, this is like it should have been released 8 years ago, and it would have been amazing. But today, you would expect more. just like Evoto is adding loads of features. Now, they're still not perfect, and I've done a video today ranting on about some of the things they're putting in. It's just, they're wasting the time. Bloody gummy lip thing, oh man, it's crazy. They just want to concentrate on the core of the product and get it right. What are they doing? What are they doing? Eyeliner. Oh no, yeah, eyeliner. What's going on? You've just got to wait to see the colour you want. What's this? I mean, is that it? Is that all I can do? Is change the colours to what I want, and one, there's no other thing. Oh, we've got a glow as well. Guys, come on, this isn't, it's just not acceptable. I'm sorry, this is not acceptable. Eyebrow enhancement, I'm just going to go through them quickly. So look, I put it up to 100. It takes its time, slide it back down, we're still there. These bits of software are supposed to make your editing quicker, and it's slowing me down because I've got to wait. No, oh, Jesus Christ almighty. I'm going to swear, I really am. Eyebrow enhancement, so we're paying 200 and something pounds a year. We've got no eyelashes, unless I've missed them. Makeup section, it's going to be in the makeup section. Is it in there? Nothing. Mouth, you know, what's going on? Makeup section. This is just literally the tone. I mean, look at that. It's not me. The software is no good. It's too slow. This is embarrassing. It really is. It could be the M4 chip. I wouldn't have thought so. It's not me. Look. Zoom in works. Zoom out. I can zoom in and wait. Zoom in and wait. That is not acceptable in 2024 on the latest Mac. Come on, guys. And this, I mean, the software is no. I'm going to have to get my money back on this one. I'm sorry. So we've got a vignette. Yeah, okay, cool. We've got all these. Now, one feature I did notice you've got in here, which isn't available in Evoto or Slim the Face. Oh, let's have a look. Let's just go into this one. Slim the face. So we can just go fat, thin. Where's the rest of the adjustments? Yeah, no, oh, come on. It really is like software from 8 years ago. Look at that. It just takes ages to do anything. There's not enough features in it, I'm sorry, for the price. What is going on? And, you know, again, if we're editing on this software, let's go to the eyebrows. Oh, where are we going? Face, edit. I'm just getting really annoyed now. I mean, look, come on. I'm showing you exactly what's going on with this software. The people who are paid to say, oh, it's freaking amazing. Look at, oh my God. It's not. Come on, guys, don't lie. And Julie Trotty, I mean, you've put your name to it. You're an amazing photographer. And this ain't working. This is just not working. You've obviously tried it yourself. You know, you've had involvement in it. I'm disappointed. Really am. Eyebrow position. What's this? Yeah, so wait. Go and have a coffee. Come back. It's done. I'm stopping it here for a minute. Oh, dear. So, I mean, look. This software if you'd have seen it 8 years ago, maybe you'd have been like, wow, this is great, you know, something new that we can. I mean, look, it doesn't work. What's going on? It's getting even slower now. Look at this time I'm waiting. I'm sorry. This is embarrassing. It really is. Lip position. So you can't do anything. You've got to wait a few seconds for me. Well, I have anyway. If anyone else is having the same problem, please let me know in the comments. But no, come on. And then we've got the body shaping. What have we got here? Nothing. That's not going to do anything anyway. But this is. I'm pretty disappointed. Right. Okay. Colors by. Let's reset it all. Let's just reset this picture, if we can. I'm gonna do everything. Reset. Reset. And then we're gonna leave. Julie Trotty's. Let me get rid of all this. Let's see what she can do with her presets to fix this picture. Right, okay. So we've got Colours by Julie Trotty. Okay, basic. Let's go for the enhance. So what's it done? It's enhanced the picture. Let's go back. Can we go back? Cold. Go back. The matte look. What the hell? Oh, come on. It's like this is. Let me just get this. I'm going to close this one down for now. Let's get this full screen. It's like we're living in April Fool's Day, and this is just a joke or something. No, oh come on. What the hell is going on? Black and white, classic noir. What? And then we can do the intensity. Yeah. Oh, this is. There's no way. There's no way this is. I don't know what's going on. Vintage slate. Again, I don't like presets anyway, but you'd have thought coming from. I mean, that's a nice colour. I don't mind that one. Moody depth. Yeah, but. Again, faded elegance. But the presets are not doing much to. Look, I'm sorry guys, but this is. I've got to get a refund. This is terrible. You just do not expect something. I just had a feeling. I did a video about it. What's going on with that? I did a video saying it's got to live up to something, you know, the other week. But this is, I'm sorry, guys. This is just not acceptable in 2024 to skin blemishes. Come on. The blemish removal works 90%, I would say. Skin smoothing. Let's go all the way up. I'm sorry guys, if this software was released 8 years ago, people would be going, wow, yeah, look at that. Look, this is great. This is great. But we've got so many choices now. And I'm sorry, but this is not acceptable. Now, there is one in here. I'm going to show you. Light control. A good idea, but it's already in Portrait Pro and it works perfect in there. But we've got show on the canvas the light source. Okay, so we can have it there, and then it will add. What the hell is going on with that? It's just, I don't know. Look, what's going, I can't do anything with it. But you can put the light source where you want, and then we can go down to there's some presets somewhere in here, like customization, and then we can add, you know, like stripes as if there's a palm leaf over here somewhere. But no, this, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to get my money back. I'm gonna try it again tomorrow, but for now I'm just not impressed one bit. And for the people who are shilling this at the moment, shocking, really shocking of you. It's not fit for purpose, really isn't. Unless you're an idiot who's never seen any sort of editing software anywhere else, then you might think, oh, it's working all right. It does something. Yeah, it's great. But no, come on. Anyway, I'm leaving it there. See you in the next video.